a dandelion.
Well, dandelion don't tell no lies. That was a pretty good one. You're throwing it hard, you just got to throw it up.
Can you try to throw it up higher?
No, you don't want to throw it up high because it'll go on the roof. You just throw it down there and you run down and get it, alright? Ready? Uh-oh. I can't go straight. Go get it. Run, 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 run.
Can I race?
Race. Race fast. Now jump back. Jump. Can you jump? Hop, hop.
Hop, hop. Hop, hop.
You hopping?
Hop, hop.
Hop.
Ah!
Yeah. Louder.
Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Hop, hop.
Okay, throw it. That's pretty good.